Alright, so let's take a look at the top of our document camera. So here you can see the power button, and you just want to press and hold that down for a couple seconds to turn it on, and the same thing to turn it off. Now the document camera does take a little bit of time to boot up, maybe 20-30 seconds, so if you want to use it during your class, I would turn it on at the beginning. We can see the output selection right here, and we're on RGB or TV. And then we can see here PC or USB, and there's going to be a little slot on the side here, a little switch where you can toggle that back and forth to see which one you're on. Okay, we also have a menu button here, and you can press that and change some settings if you'd like. We also have a freeze button, so if I go ahead and push that, you'll notice I'm moving my hand, but it's not moving. So anyway, and then just press it again, and it's going to unfreeze right there. So we also have a rotate button right here, so you don't have to move the camera or the material if it's showing up wrong. You can just hit the rotate button and it rotates at 90 degrees, and that would be 180, 270, 360, a nice little math problem right there. There's also a lamp, so if it's kind of dark in your room, you might try to get better lighting. You can press the lamp, you can see it come on there, and the document camera will automatically adjust to use the available light. Now, you also have a scroll wheel here, and you can see the plus and the minus zooms. So if you scroll clockwise, you zoom in. You can see it zooms in very far, and if you scroll counterclockwise, you zoom out. Now, one handy trick, if you're zoomed in and you want to scroll all the way out, you just hit the enter button in the center, and it zooms you all the way out. You'll notice it's going to autofocus for the most part on its own, but if it ever gets kind of out of focus, you can just hit the autofocus button and it will refocus it there for you. Now there's three other buttons: a recording button, a capture delete button, and a playback button. And those three are all for recording either a video, so the recording button right here will actually record the audio that you're doing and the video showing up on the doc cam. You can see there's a little microphone right here. If you use the cap delete button, the capture button would capture this still shot, the still image, either to the document camera's hard drive or to a USB storage device that you've put in the side there. Then, if you want to look at those images, you can always hit the playback button, and then you can see everything that's on there. One other button you have on the top is the camera PC button, and remember this toggles between your computer and the doc cam if you're using the RGB pass-through option. Oh, this little guy, little infrared receiver for the remote control. Alright, so that is the top of your document camera and everything you got there.